idol of the giraffe. It's so nice. And there are some tree cutted in the shapes of two elephants there. Here is a giraffe. It has a very long neck. There are two giraffes, one here and one here. There are two women doing namaste there. It's so nice looking. Look, there are many flowers also here. Some pink, some orange, and some yellow. This is the woman doing namaste. This is another woman. There are moon flowers. And there are two elephants made of grass, with cutted tree and shaped there. Here is the elephant. There is another park there. There is a slide. Look, here is a same elephant here. Look, these trees are colored in a shape of a tiranga, our national flag. So this is the slides. The park also is sitting there. There is Subash Bose's idol and his team of Sena. Here is a small shop inside the church. Here is Rabindranath Tagore idol. And this is the place to sit. We can sit down and relax. And this is an tree cut of the mother holding the baby. There are two mothers here. One here and another there. They are holding the baby like they are hugging each other. It's so nice to see. Look, the same thing it is here. There is a small pond also here. The water is dried already. There is one frog also there.